Freelancing in web development is a popular choice. It offers flexibility and independence. You are your own boss. You set your own hours. This is perfect for people who enjoy work-life balance. Web development is also in high demand. Businesses need websites and apps. This means there are many opportunities for freelancers. You can find work with a variety of clients. Freelancing lets you focus on your favorite projects. You can choose projects that match your skills. You can also learn new technologies. This keeps work interesting and engaging. Finally, freelancing can be lucrative. You set your own rates. You can earn more than you would in a traditional job. This can lead to financial freedom and security. There are many online platforms for finding freelance work. These platforms connect freelancers with clients. They offer a variety of project types and budgets. Upwork is a popular option. It has a large pool of clients and projects. You can find both short-term and long-term work. Upwork also offers payment protection for freelancers. Fiverr is another platform to consider. It is known for its quick and affordable services. You can offer pre-packaged services or custom projects. Fiverr is great for building your portfolio and reputation. Don't forget LinkedIn. It's a powerful tool for freelancers. Build a strong profile to showcase your skills. Connect with potential clients and network with other professionals. These are just a few examples. Research different platforms. Find the ones that fit your needs and preferences. Explore their features and fee structures. A strong portfolio is crucial for freelance success. It showcases your work to potential clients. It demonstrates your skills and experience. Think of it as your online resume. Start by creating your own website. This is a central hub for your portfolio. Include a bio, your skills, and contact information. Choose a clean and professional design. Next, select your best projects for your portfolio. Choose projects that highlight your skills. Include a variety of project types. For each project, provide a brief description and visuals. Consider adding client testimonials. Positive feedback builds trust with potential clients. You can ask past clients for a short testimonial. Display these prominently on your portfolio. Continuously update your portfolio. Add new projects as you complete them. This shows that you are active and growing. Section 4. The power of connections, networking for success. Networking is essential for freelancers. It helps you build relationships with potential clients. It also helps you stay updated on industry trends. Attend industry events and conferences. These events are great for meeting people face-to-face. Prepare a short introduction about your services. Collect business cards and follow up afterwards. Join online communities and forums. Engage in discussions and share your expertise. This helps you build relationships with other professionals. It can also lead to referrals. Don't underestimate the power of social media. Be active on platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter. Share your work and engage with others in your field. Networking takes effort, but it is worthwhile. Building strong connections can lead to new opportunities. It can help you grow your freelance business. Section 5. Navigating the freelancing waters, challenges and triumphs. Freelancing is rewarding but comes with challenges. Managing your time effectively is crucial. You are responsible for finding clients and meeting deadlines. It's important to set realistic expectations. Success takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't land clients immediately. Persistence and hard work are key. Freelancing can also be isolating. Make an effort to connect with other freelancers. Join online communities or co-working spaces. This can provide support and motivation. Despite the challenges, freelancing offers immense rewards. You have the freedom to be your own boss. You can work on projects you are passionate about. Remember to celebrate your successes. Acknowledge your achievements and milestones. This will help you stay motivated on your freelancing journey.